Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by opening Settings and tapping Digital Wellbeing. This gets you straight to Controls. Once in Dashboard, scan your top time-sync apps and set initial timers to limit them. Make sure to choose the account that uses this phone. Parental controls alter available options. The idea is to identify which apps you must block, then prepare timers or focus for immediate enforcement. Don't pause to explore every menu. Pick one app and create the first restriction so you build momentum. Once done with the basic timers, create precise block rules using focus or work profiles. These let you block entire apps and mute notifications for set periods. You add apps to the block list, set start and end times, and pick repeat days. Make sure to adjust exceptions for essential contacts or apps so you don't miss urgent items. Then test the profile immediately. Activate it for 10 minutes to confirm the app is inaccessible, and notifications are silenced as expected before relying on it daily. To finish, enable any enforcement options like locking timers with a PIN or requiring a passcode to change settings. This prevents easy bypassing. Once set, sync Digital Wellbeing across accounts or devices if supported, so blocks apply everywhere. If an app still bypasses blocks, restart the device and retest. If problems persist, clear app cache or reinstall the app and reapply the rule. A single troubleshooting tip. Check battery optimization or accessibility overrides. Those can allow apps to ignore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.